and we can find the Google Ads user provided data event. So selecting user provided data events template, and we are moving forward to conversion ID. So we are fill the conversion ID from the placeholder which is called conversion ID, and here you can see the hello lovely people, I hope you guys are doing fine. Today we are talking about an update from Google. Before this update, we can send user provided data through Google Tags like add to cart, begin checkout. This is what is the update right now. The update is you can select a variable user provided data, then your data parameters will be added through this variable. Then you can add the individual sending for Google Ads. So let's jump in the videos to how to send user provided data through Google Tag Manager. So let's go to the practical overview. So first of all, we need to go for new template, new text, and under the Google Ads, Google Ads template, and we can find the Google Ads user provided data event. So selecting user provided data events template, and we are moving forward to conversion ID. So we are fill the conversion ID from the placeholder which is called conversion ID, and here you can see the options under the drop down. If you click the drop down, you can select the user provided variable like user provided data variable. Then there is no created user data variable configured before, and we will go for the new variable and select user data, select user provided data variable. So first of all, we need to configure the email. So where is the email? We can search manually, and email is, where is email? Customer billing email. As you can see, here is the customer billing email is filled, and second one is customer phone. So this is the phone, and this is the field about the user data like first name, last name, street, whatever you can get and reach from the purchase at, and you have to fill first name, click the first name and last name. The next is street. If we get a street, there is no street, we can use there is no street, we can address to use. City will be, must be city. This is the billing city. Then use a region or province, state, we are founding this variable billing state, and country, billing city after the country, then postal code. So this is the configuration system. You can do it your own way. I will name this Google Ads user provided data. So this is the way how you can configure the user provided data for the Google Ads conversion tracking. And this is the update using, you can send the user data for Google Ads. And if you find this video helpful, hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.